Hey guys, back with me again in this channel. On today's video, I'm gonna show you how to do the fade in and fade out audio edit in CapCut. So here I've already on CapCut and I'm going to add a clip first. I'm going to click on new project and choose the clip. For example, I want to add this one right here. And next, so this video has some audio in it. I'm going to extract the audio first, so just click on the video and then click on extract audio. So the audio has been extracted, but I'm going to mute the audio because I don't want to get copyrighted on YouTube. So okay, so to do the fade in and fade out, you can just click on the audio and then you'll find the fade options at the bottom here. Just click on that. So the fade in, you can use it at the beginning of the video. You can adjust the durations. So I'm going to just set it like 3 seconds for example, and the fade out is on the end of the video. So I'm going to click on the check icon first, and then I'm going to go to the end of the video. In here I'm going to click on the audio again and choose fade, and here the fade out, I'm going to set it on 3 seconds like the fade in, and then click on the check icon. So you can see now it has some fade effect into it, and you can just export your video after that. Okay, so that's all for me. That is how you can fade in and fade out audio edit in CapCut. Thank you guys so much for watching. If you like the video, please do click on the thumbs up icon. Don't forget to leave a comment and subscribe to our channel. See you at the next tutorial. Bye bye.